Hello traders, the title of the video is a simple rule number one for improving your trading or investing portfolio. Alright, so you want to improve your stock portfolio, your commodity portfolio or currency portfolio. You are buying many stocks, you are buying a variety of financial instruments. You are building your trading portfolio, you are building your investing portfolio. All right, what is the simple rule number one for improving your trading or investing portfolio? This is valid for technical traders and also for investors. So you are a technical trader, you are buying many stocks, different type of stock, trading stock, commodity, futures, indices, and so on, ETF. Now, how do you manage all those trades so you don't end up wiping out your trading account? Professional traders and investors follow the simple rule number one that you also must know. So as an amateur trader, it's okay, but at one point you want to get it right so you don't end up doing all kinds of things that can hurt, okay, your trading portfolio. All right. The simple rule number one for improving your trading or investing portfolio is this: never own more than 5% of any financial instrument. Did you get that? Never buy more than 5% of any financial instrument. So if you have a trading account of $1,000, all right, you want to buy financial instrument, that financial instrument that you are buying shouldn't, okay, exceed the $50. That's 5% of your whole investing account. All right, so that's the fund. If you're a professional trader, you are giving a $1 million trading fund. All right, you cannot invest you cannot invest more than 50,000 in one stock or one financial instrument. So somebody with $1 million trading or investment fund who goes out and spend $100,000 on one particular stock, like Abaxis here. So you go and buy Abaxis for $100,000. That's more than 5% of the $1 million investing or trading account. The maximum one should invest in one financial instrument is the 5%. You shouldn't go above that level. You can spend less than 5%, but you shouldn't go above that 5%. This is applied to each financial instrument that you are buying. So if you already, my friend, remember this is very important, all right? So the amount that is available for you, so you spend, okay, suppose you have a 1 million trading account, all right, you have been investing following this strategy. Now you got 100,000 left. The next financial instrument that you want to buy should not also exceed the 5% of that $100,000 that you got left. So the money that is left is why you're going to apply that 5% to. It's not the money that you had originally. So if you have $1 million at the beginning, the maximum that you can invest in one financial instrument is 50,000, which is 5% of that $1 million. But now you are spending, you are buying here and there, building your portfolio. Now you got 100,000 left, $100,000 left. You are not going to go again and invest $50,000. You will invest again 5% of your $100,000 that is left. So all you are doing, you are protecting your trading account all the time, adhering to that 5% rule, this is completely different from the 5% money management rule. I talk about the money management rule, the 5% money management rule. It means that the total amount that you are spending, all right, on one account should not exceed 5% of that trading account. That's a different rule. Now we are talking about somebody building a portfolio, buying. So the fund is there for you to spend. You can spend them all if you want to, but you shouldn't spend on one stock, on one currency, on one commodity, on one indices more than 5% of the trading amount that is available to you at that point in time. Do you get it? Very simple and also powerful, and it will allow you, okay, to build, okay, a better trading or investment portfolio. As a retail trader, as somebody who is engaged in the financial market, the number one rule, as Mr. Buffett said, is not to lose. The second rule is not to forget the first rule. And in order to achieve that goal, not to lose and not to forget the rule that says not to lose, one should adhere to the 5%, okay, maximum investment in one financial instrument. So the money that you got left, so you look in your account, you say, how much have I got left? You say, oh, I got 10,000 now. What is the maximum you can put into one stock, one currency, one futures, one investment? Should exceed, okay, 500, which is 5% of that $10,000. If you see in your account, you only got now 1,000 left for your trading, okay? That's your trading fund, all right? Somebody give you the money, say, all right, this is the amount you can use to trade, all right? So you want to build a portfolio. If you got left 1,000 left, you shouldn't, if you're going to buy another stock, you're only going to spend 5% of that $1,000 left. I've said enough. I bark about it. I shout about it. I think I got your attention now. And now you are now equipped and start building, okay, a better trading or investment portfolio. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about simple rule number 1 for improving your trading or investing portfolio. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, make sure you mark it down, all right? If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, feel free to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So this will conclude our discussion today about a simple rule number 1 for improving your trading or investing portfolio. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.